Hi everyone, Baron is back. Today we're gonna make an experiment. It will be kind of like a level lamp. And for that we would need some food oil, Alka seltzer, some food coloring or food dye. We will need some transparent containers. I have of glass. You could have like a soda bottle. And you can just recycle it or throw it away so you don't need to clean all that grease. We'll need some water as well. Now we're gonna pour up some water. You can start with oil if you like, it doesn't really matter because the different liquids have different density, so it will keep in order anyway. So now we're gonna pour some oil in here as well. We're gonna speed up the process. When we put in all the oil, it's time to add some food coloring. I'm gonna try some different colors. I don't know how good yellow will be. Maybe I will take some more because the oil is yellow as well, so we will see. Try one now. That will be red. When all the food coloring is there, we need to mix it a bit with the water. Maybe it had been better to just put the food coloring in before the oil, because now I will have some greasy spoons. It's time to add Alka seltzer. We're gonna put some in here. Gonna try one in each. Maybe half one in the small one. The small bottle. Now you can actually see that something is happening. Coloring balls are coming up to the surface. And it's actually pretty easy. It's carbon dioxide that releases from the Alka seltzer, and that brings the food coloring up mixed with water. And since it has a higher density, it will go down again after reaching the surface. If you have something to put underneath that can bring light, like a light plate or something, it would look even nicer. So it's a fun and not dangerous experiment that you could do at home. So if you see that the effect starts to go out, you can just add another Alka seltzer. You can also see that the yellow one didn't turn out that good. We're gonna see what happens if we add some more when it's going quite fast already. And we can see maybe the red one was a bit too much. It just looks red now. If you want to see how long this effect goes on for, you should stay. Otherwise, I recommend you to visit my channel to see some of my other clips. I have one clip about nitinol, which is an amazing metal that actually can remember the shape and go back to that shape. I have another one about water balls or polymer balls, invisible balls, call them what you want, but they are quite amazing because they absorb a lot of water and they have the same refraction index as water, so they go invisible when under the surface. It looks like a cool effect. I also have another one where I crush soda cans using only temperature. So check those out, I really recommend that.